In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can summarize a document using ChatGPT. As you can see, I have here a document and it is a long document. It is 3 pages and I'd like to summarize it in point format or in just 2 or 3 paragraphs. Now to do it, we are going to use ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and upload your document on ChatGPT. As you can see, this is a Google Docs document. You can either upload it as a Google Docs document or you can as well download it if you have it in downloaded form. I have the same here in Word format. You can as well use the same. So what you need to do is to go ahead and tap on this plus icon, and this will give you an option to go ahead and add photo or file. And also the second option, you can add from apps. If you have it on a Google document, you can choose Google Drive, and then you have to connect your Google Drive to your ChatGPT. And from this, you can easily select any document that you so wish, and it will be attached. However, if you have it in form of a Word document or a file on your computer, or even a photo, just go ahead and tap on Add Photo and File, and this will take you to your computer. So I'll go ahead and choose my file, and here it is, and then tap on Open. Now here our Word document has been loaded. Now from here, go ahead and ask ChatGPT to summarize it. If you want to attach it in form of a Google Drive, you can as well go ahead and tap on plus, and from this go to apps and then Google Drive. If you have already linked your Google Drive to ChatGPT, it will go ahead and list the documents that are on that Google Drive. So for my case, I want to summarize this document, which is the same as this. So I'll just go ahead and tap on it here and then tap on select, and then the document will be uploaded on ChatGPT. And here the document has been uploaded. Now you can ask ChatGPT to summarize it in a format that you so wish. For your case, you can maybe restrict it to summarize it in 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs depending on your interest. Then I'll go ahead and tap on generate. Now ChatGPT will go ahead and read through the document and then summarize the document in point format. And as you can see, the summary is here and it is quite precise and key to the points. Look at that. That is very great. So that's how you can summarize a document using ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.